everybody, you are watching the channel Learn to Earn for Life.
Dear students, in this video we shall find the expression for the fault current when a single line to ground fault occurs at point F in a power system through a fault impedance ZF. Here the phases are so labeled that the fault occurs on phase A. So this is the figure which represents the fault occurring at phase A at point F through fault impedance ZF, that is LG fault is occurring at phase A. So we shall write the terminal conditions as VA is equals to IA into ZF as the first terminal condition. You can see that if the fault is occurring at phase A, this fault current which is flowing through this fault impedance will create a voltage drop of VA. So that's why after the occurrence of the LG fault, the voltage at phase A becomes IA into ZF. As fault is occurring at phase A, the other line currents will become 0, that is IB is equals to 0 and IC is equals to 0. Let us find the symmetrical component relations. We have the expression for IA naught as 1 by 3 into bracket IA plus IB plus IC. After substituting the values of the terminal conditions IB and IC as 0, we will get IA naught is equals to 1 by 3 into IA. IA1 is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket IA plus AIB plus A square IC. After substituting the values for IB and IC as 0, we will get IA1 is also equals to 1 by 3 into IA. IA2 is equals to 1 by 3 into IA plus A square IB plus AIC. Substituting the values of IB and IC as 0, we will get IA2 is also equals to 1 by 3 into IA. So with this result, we can conclude that the symmetrical currents will be equals to 1 by 3 into IA. The terminal condition VA is equals to IA into ZF gives that VA naught plus VA1 plus VA2 is equals to IA ZF, that is equals to 3 IA naught ZF. Here VA is expressed in terms of symmetrical components as the sum of sequence voltages, that is equals to IA into ZF. Here IA can be represented as 3 IA naught. As IA naught is equals to 1 by 3 IA, we can write IA as 3 IA naught. So by these symmetrical component relations, we can prefer to interconnect the sequence networks, that is the positive sequence network of the power system, the positive Thevenin equivalent network of the power system, the negative Thevenin equivalent network of the power system, the zero equivalent network of the power system, which are connected in series through an impedance of 3 ZF. Let us find the expression for the fault current as fault is taking place at phase A, IF is equals to IA. IA can be further represented as 3 into IA naught, where IA naught is equals to get the expression for IA naught, we need to observe this interconnection of the sequence networks. Here the current flowing in this loop, this entire network, will be equals to the Thevenin equivalent voltage divided by the total impedance of this circuit, that is V Thevenin divided by Z1 plus Z2 plus Z0 plus 3 ZF. Here Z1 is the Thevenin equivalent impedance, positive Thevenin equivalent impedance, Z2 is the negative Thevenin equivalent impedance, Z0 is the zero Thevenin equivalent impedance of the entire power system. If in the absence of fault impedance, Here the fault impedance can be replaced by 0 in the above equations. If the fault impedance is not appearing, means just simply we need to put ZF is equals to 0. So hence in LG fault IF is equals to 3 IA naught.